Yeah, it's shelter in place, but you're still putting offers on homes. You've done it several times and you keep getting outbid. Next up, I'm going to share 3 things that you can do that will immediately enhance your chances at winning the next bid. What's going on, everybody? Ethan Reyes here, Real Expert Consulting. I want to thank you once again for joining me on another video. Let's get right to it. There are more buyers than ever right now, but there aren't that many homes for sale across the country. And that's while in shelter in place. More eyeballs are on houses and more searches being done on third-party sites than ever before. That's a lot of competition. With a lot of competition, you've got to stand out. Here's number 1. Limit or reduce all contingencies altogether. If you want the home that badly enough, this might be beneficial to you because there are going to be other offers on the table where other buyers are asking for everything under the sun. And it can alleviate a lot of pressure for the seller, knowing that a transaction will run a lot smoother if there are less contingencies attached to it. Number 2, submit your best offer first. If you see, and again, working with your representation, you should know what days on market, how many days on market the average home in the area is on before it sells. And strategizing, depending if it's a very hot neighborhood, because especially here in New York City, so many different pocket neighborhoods move completely differently, and it could be a matter of a few blocks. So working with your representative, you can decide whether or not you have to move forward on a strong offer first rather than playing the discount tire kicker type of role, all to save about $20-25 a month on a monthly mortgage anyway. Don't lose a home over that, and especially if it's the one that's most desirable. Lastly, writing a personalized letter to the seller. I can't stress how important this can be in getting your offer accepted among all others. Let's think about it. The seller more than likely has lived in the place longer than 5 years, has built memories, has drawn some attachment to the home. Yeah, they're getting sweet offers, money is here, money is there, but sometimes that sentimental value is just too strong to let go of the property. A personalized letter can stand out amongst the competition, or help you stand out amongst the competition, and show the humanistic side of you, where it's just like you're not coming to grab their property. This is someone that's going to go ahead and take over the helm and care for the property as the seller has for all these years. Good luck out there. I hope one, if not all of these strategies help you win the next bid. If this video was at all useful to you at any point, please make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. But in times like these, most of all, be well.